Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am here to reveal to you Born Pretty Store's brand new packaging for the polish, particular line of polish and their cuticle oil. So here they are as they came to me. I wanted to show you. Let me first show you the cuticle oil came in this little box, the container right here, and I will have the links down in the description bar below to these items. Let me go ahead and pull this one out of here. And as you can see, check it out. Check out this new tube. Yeah, it's a metallic tube now. And it has this plastic wrapping around it. And I'm going to go ahead and see if I can. I am not using my nails as tools. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. So let's go ahead and peel this off. Just pulls back like that. Has one of those perforated things. Right off. So this is first time me opening, as you can see, and what an elegant package. Check it out, so beautiful. So it says cuticle oil on it with Born Pretty Store's logo right there, and let's see which end it opens. Oh, there it goes. Okay, very nice. This one is scented, so the scent on this one, it says almond cuticle oil. That is so nice. I do love almond scent. And actually, it's very soft. It's a very faint scent. So that was very tight right there. And this is the part that you will just twist. But yes, this is pretty tight. A pretty tight top right there. Let's see how it feels. That feels very nice, soft bristles. It'll look a little bit different than what I'm used to. I don't want to put cuticle oil on the rest of my fingers because I want to do a swatch on the polish that I do have. But check this out. Very nice packaging right there with the silver tube. Now the polish is beautiful. So it came to me in this Ziploc bag, then in its own little box right here with their logo, and it's got ingredients on. That's what you can expect. And I have not opened this one, so I need something to cut the seal. It is sealed there with the name of the color, I believe, but let me check on the bottle itself. It's a beautiful purple. Check it out. And I was totally surprised with this as far as the color. I knew I had something coming with their new packaging, but I wasn't sure. I didn't know what colors. And this one is Flower and Sunshine series. So it's this Flower and Sunshine series. And I believe, so I think the name is Tender, it says. I try to zoom in on that. I believe that's the name of the color from the Flower in Sunshine series. Oh my gosh, look at the holo in there. I hope you can pick it up. And so you can see these are, this bottle is, see if it says in the box, 6 mLs. So 6 mLs, 2 ounces. And as you can see, it's a totally clear bottle, oval shape with a pretty round plastic black handle, and it's got that nice elegant gold rim around. And let's open it up. Oh, look at that. I can't wait to try this. And as far as bring this up to my nose, I only smell just, it's normal nail polish scent, nothing too strong. It's not unscented. I do smell just its normal scented nail polish scent. And this is, so let's see how this goes. I'm not sure if it's going to go on sheer or if it's going to be one of those that might look better over black. So let's go ahead and give this a try. And guys, Born Pretty Store is looking to get your feedback on these bottles, this packaging, see what you think. They're very interested in knowing what you think of the packaging. I believe there's very elegant, and this one is still, it's not plastic, it's very light. Let's take a look at this, and I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches on my hand. Okay, so I did give the bottle a good shake, and I'm going to try it on my nails here with no other color. I just have a clear base on. Let's see how this goes. Ooh. Very pretty. So it seems to be a very thin formula. I have a little bit of a... It has that iridescent look to it. And yes, I am very interested to see what this will look like over a black. That's very pretty. So that's the first coat. And let me go ahead and try another one here. And then for the other two, I'm going to grab my black polish and give it a try. So it has a iridescent, kind of like a mother of pearl base hidden there. Check it out with the holographic glitters. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry before applying the second coat, but I'm going to do the black on my other nails. Okay, so I've already given these enough time to dry. Let's go ahead and try this a second coat. Very pretty. This does look like it will go opaque. Let's see. Yes, it looks like it did really pretty good there with 2 coats. Trying to see. And let's check it out over black. Oh yeah. Because this formula reminded me a lot of the chameleon polishes. Oh, that is so pretty. It really brings it out. It brings out that purple. I'm trying to cover the edge of mine so I don't see any black. Oh, look at the difference, guys. I can't wait. Well, I wish I could say I want to take this outside in the sun. There is no sun today. There's not going to be sun this whole week. Okay, let's see over this one. I love, love, love the hollow. That is gorgeous. Wow, check it out, you guys. So yeah, you can go either way with this on its own. It looks very pearlescent there with holographic glitters, or over black. It really, I mean, the purple undertone really stands out. Check it out. That is gorgeous. And remember that I do have a 10% discount for Born Pretty Store. I will have that across the screen as well as down in the description bar below. So I am going to wait for these to dry completely, apply a top coat to, let's see that, you know, sometimes top coats have a change. Let's hope that top coat will not affect the finish at all. And then I'll be back with some reveal shots at the end. Okay guys, so here it is with top coat, and I did not find that the top coat changed the color or the formula in any way, shape, or form. And I am going to attempt to change the lighting here, and this is with my foam flash, yes, the flash, so you can see the hollow there. Check it out, it's beautiful. Oh, that's so pretty. And yes, so, and I will say, as far as drying time, it was more in the medium side. I noticed it was not completely, like I could still leave a fingerprint on them, but then it was still okay to do the top coat, and I used out the door. And so yeah, there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful formula, beautiful color. So beautiful packaging on both of these guys. And so let's go ahead, and now I am ready to apply some oil to my nails. This really feels very good. I like those, I don't know, this feeling of these new bristles. They're very soft. Now let me jump in with my announcement. I do have another international giveaway, this time sponsored by Born Pretty Store, in celebration of their new packaging of bottles and containers, which will be available after June 6th on their website. Now I will choose 5 winners at random, and the prize will be 1 bottle of polish like the one I just reviewed here today. The rules are, if you have already won one of these, you will not be eligible. And likewise, if you win on my giveaway, you will not be eligible to participate on others. And that's because Born Pretty Store is trying to spread the love to as many different participants as possible. So you can only win one once this time, okay? You must also be over the age of 18. You must obviously have been a subscriber of my channel and Born Pretty Store channel. I will have their link down in the description bar below. And your subscriptions must be public so that I can verify. To enter, just right below, enter me and share your opinions on this new packaging, the cuticle oil and the polish. We'd like to know. We'd like to see what are your thoughts on those. Now we'll close this giveaway on June 7th and announce the winners on the 8th. So that is it, you guys. Thank you. Good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.